So we are lubing up the injection cam. Probably not necessary because it is broke in. However, never had a problem with too much lube, so we're going to do it anyway. So I'll throw a screenshot up of this idler gear and how the timing marks are shown in the book. What I ran into is when I did that, when I went to rotate it, my valves ended up contacting the top of the piston. So, trying to figure out how to light this. So down on the crankshaft, we have a gear with 3 marks. In the book, it only shows 1. The idler sprocket has 3 marks, and then a single mark and a single mark. That center gear matches what it shows in the book. But in the book, it shows the 3 marks right over here on the injection pump. So I tried it in all 3 positions with the 3 marks and the 3 marks. My valves all clear when they're properly adjusted, and all 4 strokes seem to function properly. You have your intake where the intake valve opens, you have your compression where both are closed, your combustion stroke, both valves are closed, piston goes down, exhaust valve opens, piston comes up, expels the exhaust. So as far as I'm aware of, and if something changes, I'll come back and edit this video, but this should work. So hopefully my fuel injection pump is timed properly. So we'll keep moving forward. Thanks for watching.